Hey everyone, welcome to Fun Food Fashion, another episode, another new recipe. Today I am going to share with you one more immunity booster drink recipe which will not only improve your immunity system but also protein rich and protein packed and give you a lot of energy throughout the day. So as you can see, we are going to make Sattu Sharbat, which is very refreshing and apt for this summer time. So without further saying, let's get started. But first thing first, hit the subscribe button if you are new and press the bell icon so that you never miss an update on my channel. And let's make the Sattu in two ways. For that, the main ingredient here is the Sattu. I'm using roasted gram flours or Chana Sattu. You can use any kind of Sattu you want. Now I have taken 2 glasses and I'm going to add 2.5 tablespoons of Chana Sattu or roasted gram flour into each glasses. There are several varieties of Sattu like Jawar Sattu or Barley Sattu, Ragi Sattu. You can use any kind you want. Next, for the sweet version, I am using 1.5 tablespoon of powdered sugar, and for the savory one I am using half a teaspoon of black salt and 1/4 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder. Next, some fresh mint leaves, 10 to 12, add in both the glasses. Next, some lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice for each glass. You can increase the amount of lemon if you want it tangy. Next, add cold water, and that's it. Now I'm going to stir it and our protein packed Sattu Sharbat is ready. This is that easy. Well, it's done. You can have it just like this, but I'm going to garnish it just a little bit. First, I'm going to add some ice cubes. It's optional. It's totally up to you. If you don't want to use ice, don't add it. And then I'm going to garnish it with some rings of lemon and some sprig of mint leaves. And it's ready to serve. So here is the protein rich immunity boosting drink recipe. So do make this Sattu Sharbat for your family as much as possible, because in this current situation we need to boost up our immunity, and for this Sattu Sharbat recipe is apt. So do make this, and don't forget to like the video, share the video and comment on the comment section below. Thank you and stay safe.